Although we hear that the Russians are advancing in eastern Ukraine, the Russian army is by no means the dominant force at this stage of the conflict, and Ukrainian forces are managing to inflict heavy losses on them. Ukrainian soldiers now attacked a column of Russian tanks trundling through a Donbas town, obliterating at least one. The Battle Group K2 of the 54th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Ground Forces, part of Operational Command East, said they came across the uninvited tourists wandering the deserted streets of Marinka, a town in the eastern Ukrainian region of Donetsk Oblast. The military group said on June 2, another success, tourists in the Donbas region are missing their armored vehicles. Dear compatriots, we continue to show you another journey of our uninvited tourists wandering the deserted streets on the outskirts of Marinka, Donetsk region. A navigator of the nearby tourists took their heavy forbidden cars to the town's narrow streets, where guys from the K2 reconnaissance group, with the help of other workers, carried out scheduled repairs. After meeting our repair devices, the tourists' cars as always fail. And one car will have to be collected from the road for spare parts. The battle group added, "Glory to Ukraine." Russian troops invaded Ukraine on February 24 in what the Kremlin is still calling a special military operation. June 3 marks the 100th day of the campaign. From February 24 to June 2, the total combat losses of Russian troops stand at around 30,850 personnel, according to the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. The Ukrainian military also claims that Russia has lost 1,363 tanks, 3,354 armored fighting vehicles, 661 artillery systems, 207 multiple launch rocket systems, 95 anti-aircraft systems, 210 warplanes, 175 helicopters, 2,325 motor vehicles and fuel tankers, 13 vessels, 521 unmanned aerial vehicles, 51 units of special equipment, and 120 cruise missiles. While Russian troops have occupied most of Severodonetsk in recent days, the head of Luhansk region has just claimed Ukrainian forces have regained around 20% of the city in a strong counteroffensive, meaning it is almost split in half between Ukrainian and Russian troops. Ukrainian governor of the Luhansk region Serhiy Haidai says the Russian military has lost a lot of military hardware and personnel in the city. He says Russia is trying to redeploy certain forces to capture the eastern city, but says self-proclaimed Donetsk People's Republic fighters are refusing to fight for the self-proclaimed Luhansk People's Republic. Haidai adds the Ukrainian army does not have long-range weapons for a full-fledged counteroffensive, but says as soon as they receive enough of weapons from Western partners, the enemy artillery will be moved away from Ukrainian positions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.